Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.
The topic that we are going to discuss now is tilapia parvovirus. So what is this tilapia parvovirus? Let us understand. So India has witnessed its first encounter with tilapia parvovirus in Tamil Nadu, causing a significant impact on the country's aquaculture. Okay, so this tilapia parvovirus is a virus which affects a particular variety of fish called as tilapia. Okay, it happened in Tamil Nadu recently, and this is going to impact our country's aquaculture. That is why it is in news. And this virus has been reported in farm bred tilapia. What is tilapia here? It is a freshwater fish species, which is important. Okay, it is a freshwater fish species, and then it has raised concerns due to its high mortality rates, which is important. So this tilapia virus has high mortality rates. Details about the mortality rates we'll see in the upcoming slides. Okay, and this virus is a viral pathogen that primarily affects this particular fish variety, that is tilapia, and it belongs to Parvoviridae family, and it is known for its small, non-enveloped and single-stranded DNA virus. Generally, when we say single-stranded, then we understand it to be a RNA virus, but here it is single-stranded DNA virus, and it is non-enveloped and it is small. These are the properties of this particular virus, that is tilapia parvovirus or TIPV. And what is its emergence and impact? And it emerged for the first time. So it was first reported in China in the year 2019, and later in Thailand in the year 2021, and India is the third country to report the occurrence of tilapia virus. So that is why it is important. So India is the third country to report this virus, and this tilapia virus has caused mortality rates ranging from 30 to 50% on fish farms, which is alarming. And when we see in the laboratory settings, then it has led to 100% mortality, which highlights its devastating effect. Okay, so all these details are important. So in laboratory setup, it has led to 100% mortality, whereas in fish farms, its mortality rate is ranging from 30 to 50%. Next is, what are all the consequences of this tilapia outbreak for India? Okay, so this outbreak can pose a threat to the biodiversity and ecology of the freshwater bodies, as tilapia is an invasive species here. Okay, so tilapia is an invasive species which can compete with the native fish for food and space. That is again a problem here. Next, this virus outbreak can also affect the food security and nutrition, because many fishing community are dependent on this tilapia as a source of their protein as well as income. Okay, so this way also it is going to affect, that is, it is going to affect our food security and nutrition. Next is, this tilapia freshwater fish is widely cultured and consumed in India, and these fishes are native to Africa, which is very important. Okay, so tilapia fish are native to Africa, and they have gained popularity as it is widely cultivated and harvested food source in India. Okay, and tilapia farming in India, we need to understand where is it farmed. First, tilapia farming is carried out in various parts of the country, especially in Andhra Pradesh and Kerala. Okay, next, the introduction of different tilapia species, including Nile tilapia and Mozambique tilapia, has led to diverse farming practices in India. Okay, so two varieties, that is Nile tilapia and Mozambique tilapia, were introduced in India. When were they introduced? That also we need to know. That is, Nile tilapia was introduced in 1970s because it is favored for its large size and scale of cultivation. Large size and even scale of cultivation is larger for Nile tilapia. Next is Mozambique tilapia, which is also referred to as jilebi in Tamil. We call it jilebi fish, or jilebi mean we call it. Okay, and it was introduced to Indian freshwater bodies in 1950. So this word becomes again and again important, that is, it is a freshwater fish. Okay, next is, this Mozambique tilapia is known for its adaptability to low oxygen levels in water. This is again important. Okay, so it can adapt to low oxygen levels in water, and it can survive in variety of aquatic environments. So it has this capability. Okay, next is Indian government has authorized the import of specific tilapia species like Oreochromis niloticus and red hybrids. These are the two tilapia varieties which was authorized for import in 1970, and this species were favored for their fast growing and market demand, maintaining a level of control over the aquaculture. So these are the points which we need to know from example.